Directed by Imtiaz Ali, Jab Harry Met Sejal might not have had an ideal start at the box office, but you will be surprised to know that the film has a silver lining after all. After garnering an average collection of Rs 15.25 crores on its opening day, still Jab Harry Met Sejal has been able to break 3 box office records already. So let's take a look. Number 1. Highest opener for Shah Rukh and Anushka's Jodi. By raking in 15.25 crore rupees on its opening day, Jab Harry Met Sejal beat Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, which had merely raked in 7 crore rupees, and Jab Tak Hai Jaan, which had garnered 15.23 crores. And with this, JHMS has become this Jodi's highest opener ever. Number 2. Imtiaz Ali's highest opener ever. I mean, director Imtiaz Ali has delivered several decent hits in his career till date, but his latest release, Jab Harry Met Sejal, has broken all the previous records to beat from Tamasha and Rockstar. Number 3. Costliest ticket ever. A Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma starrer, this rom-com also sold the costliest ticket ever in the history of Indian cinema. Bahubali 2 The Conclusion also had a similar ticket rate, so these two films share this glorious record now. So what's your take on this, guys? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comments section below. For Bollywood Spy, this is Ishan signing off. Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma's latest offering, Jab Harry Met Sejal, has drawn lots of flack from reviewers who have called the flick mushy and churned out from the same oven with Shah Rukh plus romance plus Europe recipe. But according to King Khan, who worked with Imtiaz for the first time, he feels that people will take time to understand the magic of Jab Harry Met Sejal. This day, SRK was quoted saying, "The magic of Jab Harry Met Sejal will take time to latch on to people." Further, the superstar added, "I have not seen Imtiaz Ali's previous work. I have always believed the film should go beyond the subject and create some magic. I also believe people come with preconceived notion that they have seen already." So what's your take on this, guys? Did you like what SRK said about preconceived notions? Because that, I feel, is a very central theme of how we view films and media today. Do let us know your views and thoughts as well in the comment section below. For Bollywood Spy, this is Ishan signing off.
Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma starrer Jab Harry Met Sejal did well on day 1 and has minted 15.25 crores on its opening day. We know this is not a big number for a Shah Rukh Khan starrer, but guess what? It seems the movie is already making quite a few records. If reports are to be believed, Jab Harry Met Sejal has already raked in 46.27 crores worldwide. And with such humongous collections, this Shah Rukh starrer has become the biggest opener of Bollywood in 2017 worldwide. Well, we must say it was very much expected. After all, Shah Rukh Khan is back with another love story, and the combination of romance, Europe and Shah Rukh Khan are the 3 main elements for a blockbuster movie. So what could have stopped Jab Harry Met Sejal in this? So guys, did you watch the movie yet? How did you find it? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below and stay tuned for more. Shah Rukh Khan and Akshay Kumar have locked horns with Jab Harry Met Sejal and Toiletic Prem Katha releasing with a difference of just 1 week. In Jab Harry Met Sejal, Shah Rukh does what he is best at, romance. And looking at the immense popularity of the lead actor and also the buzz surrounding it, Jab Harry Met Sejal has already witnessed quite a fantastic start at the box office. Toiletic Prem Katha, on the other hand, revolves around the theme of open defecation, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Swachh Bharat Abhiyan forming an integral part of the film's plot. So now the big question is, will Toiletic Prem Katha lead the box office race when compared with Jab Harry Met Sejal? If SRK and Anushka's film goes steady at the box office, it can benefit from the Raksha Bandhan weekend as well as the Independence Day one. But Akshay's starrer will benefit from the tax-free status from day 1 itself. At this point of time, both the films seems to have an equal advantage. What do you guys think about this? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Imtiaz Ali directed film Jab Harry Met Sejal starring Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma released on Friday. After much hype and promotions, the film, which has been one of the most talked about releases, opening to mixed reviews from the critic. However, the audience seems to have taken a liking to the film. In this box office report, we take a look at the opening day collections of Jab Harry Met Sejal while comparing the same to the previous releases of 2017. Collecting Rs 15.25 crores on its opening day, the Shah Rukh Khan Anushka Sharma starrer ranks as the fourth highest opening day grosser of 2017. However, the film does not surpass the opening day collections of the previous releases like Bahubali 2, The Conclusion that collected Rs 41 crore, Tube Light that collected Rs 21.15 crore and Shah Rukh Khan's previous film Raees that collected Rs 20.42 crore. So guys, what are your views on this? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Jab Harry Met Sejal has taken a fantastic start at the box office. And why not? After all, it was one of the most anticipated films of the year and with such a good buzz surrounding the film. But now the big question is, will it be able to compete with the best film of 2017? Naka Bahubali 2 The Conclusion? We already know Bahubali 2 has set several box office records. So now we have to see what all records will Jab Harry Met Sejal have to break. Let's check it out. Highest opener of 2017. Bahubali 2 The Conclusion raked in Rs 41 crore on day 1 through its Hindi version and became the highest opener of 2017. Highest opening weekend of 2017. Prabhas and Rana Daggubati starrer holds the record of the highest opening weekend of 2017 as it raked Rs 128 crore. Highest opening weekend at the worldwide market for 2017. Bahubali 2 The Conclusion has set a new record by earning Rs 500 crore at the worldwide market over its first weekend. Highest first Monday of 2017. The movie holds the records of highest Monday collections of 2017 as it raked in Rs 40.25 crore. Highest grosser. Of course, we know the lifetime collections of Bahubali 2 The Conclusion stand at Rs 510.94 crore through its Hindi version. This not only makes it the highest grossing film of 2017 but also the highest grosser ever. So guys, what do you think? Will SRK and Anushka Sharma starrer be able to break Bahubali 2's record? Tell us in the comment box below.
Reports of people suffering from swine flu are everywhere in the media. And now, according to the reports, Mr. Perfectionist of V-Town Aamir Khan is also suffering from swine flu. But his fans don't need to worry, as the superstar is taking proper treatment at home. During the video conference of Satyamev Jayate Water Cup ceremony, the actor himself revealed this, and he also ensured that his treatment is going on. For the last couple of days, this influenza fever has taken a toll on Aamir's health, so he had to skip a few more ceremonies and meetings. Well, we here at Bollywood Spy definitely wish Aamir a speedy recovery. When wishes are pouring in from all directions, you can also send him recovery wishes by commenting down below. For Bollywood Spy, this is Ishan signing off. While everybody's favorite action hero is busy working hard on his upcoming action thriller sequel, it seems Sallu Bhai's schedule is jam-packed for the whole year with more of the same. Yes guys, we are talking about another much-awaited sequel of Sultan Khan's, that is Dabangg 3. The Twitterscape is abuzz that this third installment of the ballsy but beloved Policewala's misadventures is all set to start shooting by 2017 end, with the actual release coming on Eid next year. Seems like Sallu Bhai has truly become the king of sequels in the Bollywood film industry, with his slew of successful and on-the-floor films. Currently busy on the sets of Tiger Zinda Hai with former beau and current bestie Katrina Kaif, Sallu Bhai has also garnered limelight recently for the release of his Being Human Rakis, which have taken the fashion industry by storm. So what do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section below. For Bollywood Spy, this is Ishan signing off. Finally, Imtiaz Ali's much anticipated rom-com Jab Harry Met Sejal, starring Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma, has hit the silver screens. Well, we must say the whole film fraternity is going gaga over this latest release. And their excitement for the Shah Rukh Khan starrer can be concluded from their flooding best wishes on Twitter. Starting from Aamir Khan to Hrithik Roshan, everyone has given their best wishes to the Jab Harry Met Sejal team and also mentioned their wish to be a part of Harry and Sejal's journey. Produced by Red Chillies Entertainment, Jab Harry Met Sejal is a travel story starring SRK and Anushka in pivotal roles, wherein the duo will be seen portraying the titular characters of Harry and Sejal. So what's your take on this, guys? Are you guys as excited to see this romance saga as the rest of Bollywood apparently? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Hey guys, remember all that stuff we told you about Remo D'Souza's upcoming film Dancing Daddy starring your very own Sallu Bhai? Well, if you were keenly looking forward to this admittedly awesome sounding movie for Sultan Khan's Latke Jhatke, then we have some bad news for you guys. Yep, according to credible sources, Salman has apparently decided to back out of the project at this date due to it not being the right role for his image. The Khan mogul has instead apparently recommended the names of such young actors as Varun Dhawan and crew, as he feels they fit the character better. Well, if this rumor does turn out to be true, we here at Bollywood Spy for one will really miss seeing you in a dance film flaunting all your moves, Mr. Khan. What about you guys? Do let us know in the comment section below. For Bollywood Spy, this is Ashan signing off. जब हैरी मेट सेजल की प्रमोशनल टीम की दाद देनी पड़ेगी, मिनी ट्रेलर्स और डांस क्लब मीटअप से लेकर इन्होंने सारे पुराने तरीकों को तोड़ मरोड़ कर कैसे भी मिस्ट्री कायम रखने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी है। और अब तो बस कमाल ही हो गया जनाब, क्योंकि JHMS अब बन गई है पहली ऐसी बॉलीवुड फिल्म जिसे प्रमोट किया जा रहा है हेलीकॉप्टर से, और वो भी उसके रिलीज डेट पर। इस प्रोमो इवेंट पर मेन एक्टर शाहरुख और अनुष्का दिखे डायरेक्टर इम्तियाज अली के साथ दिल्ली में एक यूनिवर्सिटी में अपनी अति चर्चित फिल्म को प्रमोट करते हुए। यहाँ शाहरुख और अनुष्का ने एक साथ स्टेज पर किंग खान का सिग्नेचर स्टेप भी किया, जिसे देख फैंस तो जैसे दीवाने हो गए। तो दोस्तों, क्या आपको भी देखने को मिली इस फिल्म की कोई बढ़िया सी प्रमोशनल स्ट्रेटेजी? बताएं हमें नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में। Former Big Boss contestant Sana Khan slayed it with her backless black gown during the red carpet of the Big Z Entertainment Awards 2017. But what caught everyone's eye was Sana's awkward hug with Salman. While Salmaniacs called it their Bhaijaan's chivalry, Sana on the other hand is quite infuriated with all the buzz these pictures created. Well, in a recent interview with the leading daily, the pretty lady was quoted saying, "I still can't believe that a normal hug was trending, trolling and rolling. People just blew it out of proportion because Salman had a closed fist, and some dumb people even called it an awkward hug." So what's your take on this, guys? Did you also perchance think that it was an awkward hug? Or are you one of those Sallu Bhai fans who thought it was Bhai being himself? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy gyan, hey guys, how much would you pay to watch a movie on its first day of release? I mean, with all the hype around movies with our fave superstars in them, I know I would pay quite a bit. But the number we have in mind right now, depending on how much of a hardcore fan you are, is gonna be at least a bit of a shocker. Yep, we have here for you the price of the most expensive ticket on pre-booking for the much hyped Jab Harry Met Sejal. Fans all over the country are dying to get a glimpse of King Khan in this Imtiaz Ali directed rom-com, but only the most dedicated, or more like crazy, will go to PVR Ambience Director's Cut for the unbelievable price of, wait for it, 2,400 rupees. I mean, with popcorn and a Coke, you know that's going up to 3,000. Phew. Anyway, let us know what you think about this movie pricing. Cuckoo crazy, or just worth the sweet, sweet luxury of being one of the Khan crazy few? Do let us know in the comment section. The blue-eyed beauty Aishwarya Rai Bachchan weaved black magic at the Vogue Beauty Awards red carpet. This day, the Bachchan Bahu was spotted on the red carpet of the Vogue Beauty Awards 2017 dressed in a black see-through gown. She was looking nothing less than an angelic enchantress. Her blood red lipstick added the cherry on the top. On the work front, after making a successful comeback with Jazba and finding success in last year's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, Aishwarya Rai has finally signed another film, Fanny Khan. While Anil Kapoor will be seen in a titular role, Aishwarya will be also playing an important role in the film. So what's your take on this, guys? Are you guys also excited to once again see Aishwarya Rai on the silver screen? Do let us know in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala,
Amir sir, Russell to your right. Over here. Amir sir, Russell to your right.
Russell to, okay, yeah. Okay, so last question, guys.
Yeah.
Russell, yeah.
Okay, so of late, you and Salman sir have been dominating the box office and been giving the highest grossers and have set the bar really high. But suddenly a Tollywood film came, Bahubali, and has blown away all expectations. For the Hindi version alone, it has grossed more than 500 crores. So what is the industry feeling at this point? Or does the industry have more onus on them, or are they feeling the pressure?
Well, personally, I think it's great. I think that, this is what cinema is all about. Bahubali has shown us that, language is not a barrier. And as long as people connect with the material, they connect with the story, they connect with the characters, that's what's important. So I'm really happy for the film, and I have not seen it, unfortunately, as yet. But I look forward to seeing it. And I think it's great. I think, we should make films that people... It's so wonderful that people have connected so deeply with the film and gone out there to see the film. And, it actually, that film has shown us the potential of Hindi films, which we have not yet gone to, tapped. So it's really wonderful. I think it's great, and all congratulations, all congratulations to the entire team for the huge success that they've had. Yeah, I'm really happy about it.
Amir, a lot of people in the industry feel that right now you are the most bankable superstar among the three Khans because Shah Rukh has been struggling to get a huge success on box office, and even Salman's last film didn't do well. It was kind of a failure. And with Dangal breaking record at Chinese box office as well, do you also feel that you are the most bankable superstar right now?
See, you have to understand that creative work is, very unpredictable. All of us try our best. Sometimes we succeed in what we are trying to do, sometimes we don't. So I don't think कि एक film, दो film से किसी की stardom ऐसे effect होती है. I think that Salman and Shah Rukh are both huge stars. They're mega stars. And I myself am a fan of their work. And I don't really compare like this. I think each one is unique, each one is different. Yeah.
Bollywood superstar Salman Khan's plate seems to be pretty much full these days. Currently, one after another film is lined up for the actor. From last couple of days, rumors are doing the rounds that Salman's two blockbuster films, Wanted and Dabangg, is ready for a sequel. The reports also have it when Prabhu Deva was called to direct one of the sequel, he chose Dabangg 3. But don't worry, another brilliant director is all set to direct Wanted 2. Oh yes, if the reports are something to go by, then director Ali Abbas Zafar might direct the second installment of Wanted. Well, if that happens, then it would be the third time when Salman and Ali would be reuniting after films like Sultan and Tiger Zinda Hai. So what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy.
As the release date of Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma starrer Jab Harry Met Sejal nears, the market is alive with the reports on the predictions of its box office collection. A lot have been said and written about this Imtiaz Ali directorial, but if we take a look at SRK's previous releases, Dilwale and Raees, both the films had managed to rake in 150 crores in spite of being in a clash. But Jab Harry Met Sejal will be a solo release, so there are strong chances that the film will garner 250 to 300 crores in its lifetime run. Produced by Red Chillies Entertainment, Jab Harry Met Sejal will be released on 1000 screens worldwide, so expecting such humongous business won't be unjust. So what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy. This September, we will witness the clash of the Khans on TV. While at one side there will be Sultan, on the other it will be our Badshah. Oh yes, this September Salman Khan will be coming out with Bigg Boss 11, while Shah Rukh Khan will be hosting TED Talks Nai Soch on Star Plus. SRK will be seen doing a TV show after quite some time, and his fans will be mighty excited. But do you know how much remuneration King Khan will be taking for hosting the show? Well, according to the reports, SRK will be paid Rs 30 crores per week for his stars. This time it would be doubled after the tremendous speech he gave at TED Talks in Canada that made us gush over him once again. The show will be a finite series of 14 episodes featuring 3 different speakers. So, what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below.
Shah Rukh and Anushka faced an uninvited guest during shooting. Well, it was earlier reported about SRK and Anushka's special appearance on Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai to promote Jab Harry Met Sejal. But this day, the shooting took an interesting turn when the two were in for a rude shock during the filming of an engagement sequence with the show's characters Naksh and Kriti. An uninvited guest turned up on the sets. If reports are something to go by, then SRK's bodyguards saw a leopard walk away with a puppy while Shah Rukh and Anushka were filming the engagement scene. The entire cast was in a shock to see this uninvited guest, and the shoot was halted for quite some time. Well, it was more of a shock than surprise. So what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy.